A free CRT TV 2 days ago showed up on Nextdoor, and the guy who was interested first, guy giving it away, said he bailed. He said he had 2 more TVs. That JVC stereo TV with a built-in VCR. The mystery TV wasn't something Chinesey. It's a Daewoo Smoker's Special. Daewoo International. Oh, okay. There's some filth at the bottom of the tube, and it looks like it has burn in. He also said he had a VCR. It's a Toshiba VCR, but the FCC ID reveals it's made by Samsung. And these showed up. I was like, sweet, I'll take those too. And an HP tower from the mid-2000s, but she said she'd keep it, so that's fine. Vintage component cables. And those are pretty nice. Random IEC power cord. And the IEC and the component cable was wrapped up in this stick. Like, what the hell? Surprised there's no bed bugs in here. There's some filth around that one, but this one's cleaner. There's random remotes. There's a Zenith remote, but there's nothing Zenith there. Unless it was upstairs. I should have asked to see the upstairs. Anyway, that was in a window at one point. That's a big remote. So yeah, CTW53OR 530R. It's in pretty good shape. The pinch roller, I just took a glance and it looks mint. Not mint. Oh, it looks pretty nice. Pretty supple. It's got vintage cables. Hell, they probably came with it. Yeah, there's the info. Oh, there's some vintage charter cable thing from 2003. I'll show you that. Pretty cool. Here's the instructions for the Toshiba VCR. What is this? We'll find out together. Oh! It's from that, isn't it? Custom assembled in USA. Gold! So there's no corrosion. Resist corrosion, apparently. Here's the Daewoo info. That has a cable. It has this weird cable. Any you gamer type folks can tell me what that is. Maybe it's for a camcorder. It was plugged into here. There's the info. This was made during a unfortunate time in American history, world history. September 2001. This has a tube in it made in Thailand. Orion liked to use Chunghwa tubes. A lot of the Toshiba AF series and whatever tubes Orion put in here. This one might be a Toshiba tube. Anyway, there's the haul. There was a 3 TV haul potentially that turned into something even better. So yeah, many videos to come.